Hello everybody, this is my.maxcaf, Mobile American Cross Country for Adventures and Freedom. Good morning everybody, it is April 21st, 2026. My time has come to an end here. So to give you a real quick recap, about 6 months ago, my strange daughter gave me a call. She lives in San Diego / Tijuana. Apparently, her mom, the ex-Mrs. Bentley, had gotten in a little trouble with the law. I stepped in to help my daughter out, and in so doing, helping my ex-wife out. Everything is resolved to the point that I can get on out of here, and so that's what I'm going to do. So today we're going to pack up and head out to Quartzsite, spend the night there, and then head north to some BLM land that is a little south of Flagstaff, Arizona. Hopefully we can find some trees. Alright, and with that, I'm going to go ahead and get things ready to go. Out of here. All right, we are here at Quartzsite. Supposedly Dome Rock is around here. We got ourselves a nice campsite for the day. I'm planning on leaving here early in the morning. So I just started another channel. It's called maxcaf Guitar. It's just me messing around with my guitar and putting up lessons as I go. It's just going to be my guitar journey as I go along, and if somebody learns something from it, awesome. I think somebody just parked this thing out here and left it. Fucking assholes. Yeah, don't do this. It's an eyesore. It's trash. Take it to the dump. Honestly, I thought it was somebody there, and then I took a really close look at it and saw that the sign had been taken out. So yeah. Alright, it's Wednesday, the 22nd of April. Slept really good last night. It was very, very windy. Winds were 15 to 20 miles an hour out of the east. Shut the trailer all night long last night. Alright, a couple things I need to finish up here. And then we're going to pack it up and get on out of here. Heading towards Flagstaff. There's some BLM land out there that I want to check out. Alright, we have arrived at, this is south of Flagstaff. The maps on my cell phone is saying Sedona, Arizona. I will put the Latin long of this place down below. Because just from what I can see, it looks really nice. I'm gonna have the bicycle and sweatshirt and do a little cruising around. And this place is pretty nice. It's relatively flat, dirt roads, but roads are pretty rutted. I'm gonna head down here a little bit further, check it out, and then I'll show you these ruts here. I mean, they're not horrible, but you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go down here just a little ways longer. All right, so this is the worst of it. I could probably make it through there, but I'm not gonna be here for very long, so I'm just gonna park at a nice spot. All right, let's go ahead and let this thing down, and I'm hungry. So still working out the kinks. So for like the last 6 months, I've been in a trailer park in one form or another. So now I gotta get used to living unplugged. So my big solar panels are shaded right now. I'm up to 66%. That's good for that battery. It's just primarily taking care of the house batteries are keeping the refrigerator on and the plugs on and the lights on. And I've got nothing plugged in right now. All right, so here's the whole camp spot. Truck, trailer, bike. We're rocking the free world tonight. Maybe I used a little bit too much power last night on my main batteries. With driving and everything, we're up to 66%. I think that'll be fine. So from last year to this year, I do have the Safari from Lions Energy. That's a 2,000 watt. I have a Jackery that's 1,000 watt. I'm gonna go grab the guitar and start working on my MaxCaf guitar channel. If you haven't subscribed, don't worry about it. It is guitar with a little bit of this, and this is gonna be this with a little bit of that. If you understood that, I hope you did, because I didn't. We'll see where that channel goes, but it's gonna start off with me kind of teaching and going through the motions of everything that I'm doing. All right, there's where my old camp spot used to be. I have repositioned myself over to here. Problem with that over there was too many shade trees around, and I need some power. So we moved out here, and as you can see, there's no trees around. Hopefully I can get enough sun over the next couple days so that my house batteries are filled up and I don't have to worry about that. Alright, that does it for this video. I'm going to be trying to release videos on Friday from now on. So stay tuned for that. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment below. Also, in the links down below, you'll see coffee. I love coffee, and I would much appreciate if somebody bought me some coffee.